Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Kartavya Jolly and I'm driving Ford Figo Aspire Diesel 1.5 right now. It's early in the morning, 5:31 a.m. This car is pretty good, yeah. If you are a fucking automobile enthusiast, you'll either drive a Skoda VW or a Ford in India. If it's a budget category car, else you go for BMs, Mercs, not Mercs, BMs. So this car is powered by a 1500cc diesel engine, जो provide करता है 99 bhp and 215 Nm of torque, which is massive. Drivability of this car is really good. You get a really good view, and the fuel efficiency comes out to be around overall 18.5 to 18 km per hour on city and highway both combined. And for highways it can give you easily very easily around 21 km per liter. That's pretty good, and that on diesel, so you get to save a bit on fuel compared to petrol on long trips. That's a good part about this car. And the best thing is the torque is so good that you don't even have to change gears every time your speed goes even below 60. You can easily take it over. That's the good part, that the best cruising speed is around 110 km per hour on highways, that you can stay on for long. And the bad thing about this Ford Aspire is that you get a very small set of tires compared to what you get on EcoSport, and fortunately this car gets the same engine as on EcoSport. So compared to that thing, you may feel the tires are not good enough. So I have upgraded tires to 185 70 R14 instead of OEM size, that is 175 65 R14. That's a pretty small tire. On the petrol version it can be fine, but on diesel you may feel that you're getting out of grip a lot of times when you're accelerating hard, or maybe braking also, because of the engine weight that is more on diesel cars. You will definitely feel that, which is not there on EcoSport, since it has a 16-inch rims from the base. This car has got some massive power in this segment. Like, this is known as the diesel rocket car. You'll really love having drive on this car. The power is immense, good enough to get you away from everyone else in the segment. If you can see the acceleration, 0 to 100 is around 110 seconds. It takes around 9.8 seconds for 0 to 100, which is pretty top notch in this class of compact sedan segment. I think no car does it. Like, none of the petrol turbos. It can even beat Skoda Rapids, this Virtus also 1.0 in its acceleration. So yeah, in terms of performance, this car is really good. Where you will feel the most lack in this car is the overall, look of this car. The aesthetics are not so good. It doesn't look so appealing from outside. The interior is totally very, very good. This design of dashboard, steering wheel, all the ergonomics are very well sorted up in this car. But if you see it from the outside, you feel like, yaar, what the thing was it made in that time? Too simple from outside. Like no work, no mehnat done on the exterior part of this car. But Ford, hats off to your drivability, your steering response, your braking. It's all so amazing. It's all so good that every time I drive this car, I feel like, yeah, damn, nothing else in this class. It's so satisfying in terms of driving. And you're like, this is what a car should drive. Like, what the fuck? These highways are not even allowed for two-wheelers, and he's like overtaking on a scooty, which doesn't even pass criteria for even two-wheelers. Most of the two-wheeler highways, like Yamuna. Okay, anyways, I think speed cameras are there ahead. इसके next वाले में होते हैं. We'll keep a bit of speed control. So guys, that was some all of it from my side. I had to tell you about this car. It is so amazing that you will fucking love driving this car, but thrill should always be for a shorter period of time. It should not be a fucking habit. No, you never know what other person is driving, in what mood, what way. You always can get, bumped up. If it's not your luck, if it's not you having the best estimation. So drive in limits, speed limits. Always drive in a safe way, because jaan hai to jahan hai. And closing this off by saying this, Ford Aspire has one of the best driving abilities you will find in the market in the segment. If you're looking out for a second-hand used car, then just go for it. It will just blow up your mind happily. Very happily. Thank you guys.